Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing us the demo of an expense app I built for an organization. So let me say I am an employee of this very organization, and for some reason I work in the HR department, and some stationery items or materials finished, and the our bosses weren't around, so I have to go get some stationery items from my pocket, so I can easily come here and upload what I bought with my personal money, and upload the receipts, so the manager or the boss is going to get notified on their Outlook account, and they are going to either approve my expense and reimburse my account, or reject it if they don't believe that I actually bought, if they don't believe that I'm actually telling the truth. So this is what and they're going to get notified on their Outlook accounts. And I built this using PowerApps, Dataverse as our data source, and Power Automate for our automations. So once I submit my expense and upload the receipt, the manager is going to get alerted on their Outlook accounts, and once they approve it, I'm also, me as the employee that uploaded the expense, I'm going to get notified on my Outlook account also. So let me create an expense report. Let me create an expense report now. Okay, office supplies purchase. Let's see, on the 2nd of October to the 3rd of October is HR stationery items for HR use. So I just uploaded what my expense is about. So now I am going to upload my receipts and more information about the expense that I made. So my AI builder license free trial has finished. So when I built this application, immediately you upload these receipts, these boxes gets filled up. But because my free license, my AI builder free license has finished, I have to fill this manually by myself. So please bear with me. Let me see, office supplies. Let me say it's $450 on the 2nd of October. Categories business needs, just office supplies for HR. I'm just gonna save this now. Okay, I didn't click the button the first time. So I can submit this for review. So my manager or boss is going to get notified on their Outlook account, and they are going to go through my expense. They're going to check the receipts, and if they believe me, they approve it, and I get reimbursed. And if they don't believe, they also have the capability to reject there on Outlook. So let me open this Outlook account. So because in this scenario, this is the boss. So okay, I have the notification. Okay, we just got it. Power Automate. So this is it. So this is the boss right now. So every expenses the boss sees it, and so there's also a link to the to more information about the expense. So new expense submitted for approval of fixed supply purchase. I didn't spell the supply well. So requested by this guy, and the date was created was this. So I can, as the manager, I can decide to click on the link and get more and see more information about the expense, because I can't just approve what I don't understand. So I have published the app, so that's why it's possible for me to get the link, and Power Automates I can go to the app through my Outlook account. So this is the expense. This is the expense. So I can come here and see the receipts for myself. So this is the receipts. Although I just downloaded, this is a random receipt from the internet, but in your scenario, you should upload a valid receipt. So as the HR, I think as the manager, I think I'm fine with this receipt, and I believe that the employee was telling nothing but the truth. So I can come, where's my Outlook account, Outlook account, and approve it. Okay, well done, money reimbursed, and I can submit. So I have just approved the expense. So the user is also going to get notified in their Outlook account that their expense has been approved or rejected, if it was rejected, but in this case it was approved. So let me just refresh the page, and you can see now it's no longer pending, it's now approved. I'm logging in as an employee now. I can see that my the what I covered from my pockets for the company's sake has been approved by the manager of the company. So this is it, reimbursed. I can also come here and see the receipts that which I uploaded to, and this is just it. I used Power Automate for this. Where's the okay, this is it. Okay, this is the flow, the logic, how the mails are going outside. So when a record is modified in the expense table, we try to get the requester. That means the person that's creating the expense, the request. And yeah, this is the app link. This is how this is what makes it possible for the manager to be able to access the app from their Outlook address. So this is the published URL of our application, so I embedded it. So it's the reason why our manager can click on the link and go into our application and get more information about an expense. So after this, so we would have to, after this is the approval flow, if I'm correct. So our man, this is the address of the manager. The manager gets this in their Outlook address. Once they get this on their Outlook address, this waits till a response is given. If the outcome is approved, this is what happens, and if it's rejected, this is what also happens. They are similar. They are just similar things, but they are very much similar, but just positive and negative. If the outcome is approved, this is what happens. I update the record in the expense table. I upload the record. Yes, after uploading the record, the requester, the person that requested for that the person that requested for the expense, that uploaded the expense, gets notified. So this is just it. You get notified that, hey, your expense request for name of the expense has been approved. Approver and the comments that the approver actually gave. So, and if the admin or manager rejects or doesn't believe that the expense was, or if he believes the expense was fake or not real, you can also reject and specify his or her reason here for you. So let me go back and try to upload another expense, and I'm going to try to reject it as the admin that I am, as the admin or manager. So we can also see that. So if we come, let me run it again. If we come here, we get all the expenses. None has been rejected for now, only approved, and no one is opened. So let me try to upload another expense, and this won't be the HR team anymore. This is going to be like let's say clients meeting with the American team, and the start date is the 3rd of October till the 11th of October. And this is, let's say, the marketing team. Let's say travel accommodation for clients engagements. I'm going to create this now. Let's say I work in the marketing team, and for that reason I tend to have to go. I was sent to a meeting by my boss in the organization with some team, and for that reason, when we were outside, there was shortage of fund. I had to cover the expenses from my pocket, so I can easily come to this expense app and upload the expenses, and my bosses are gonna my bosses are going to get it, and they are going to either approve or reject it. So okay, meeting engagements, total is 500. Let me see, I spent $500 on the 1st of October. And okay, let me see, food and beverage covered bills. Let that just be the description for now. So I'm going to submit this. So my boss is going to get notified. So you can see it's pending now, because no one has responded, because the boss has not responded. So let me open the Outlook accounts and try to. Okay, the mail has been sent. 6:00. Okay. Let me try to refresh my page. So this is it. This is it. So looking at this clients with the American team, I can also decide to open the app from this place, but that won't be necessary because I already shown us what that does and entails. So I'll just close it and let me try to reject, like, okay, because after going through the expense that the employee says he or she made, I for some reason I don't believe it. The money looks or sounds too much for that cost. I can decide as the HR, as the manager, to reject it, and also state my reason. For food and beverage, $500. I just feel like, I mean, this is just too much, and I would just say money seems too much. See me tomorrow in the office. So this is it. Submit. The employee is going to get notified. So let me go back to our application and we'll see that. Let me refresh this. So this is the application. This is it. The rejected expense by the admin or manager, and you can see the reason for the rejection. So this is it. So this is it. This is the rejected expense by the HR or admin. So this is just it. I built this using PowerApps, Power Automate, and PowerApps, Power Automate, and Dataverse as our data source. So please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be uploading more contents like this. And also I'm going to drop the code of this application in the description, so you can also download it and maybe pick one or two things from it and learn and implement maybe two or three functionalities from what I've done. Thank you.